Let's choose a cupcake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I have strawberry, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have chocolate, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have vanilla, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have red velvet, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have blueberry, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have orange, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, red velvet, blueberry, orange. We've eaten all the cupcakes. What is your favorite flavor? Mine is chocolate. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's count to 10. 0 balloons. Oh no, pop. 1 dog. 1. 2 burgers. 1, 2. 3 ladybirds. 1, 2, 3. 4 sausages. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yummy. 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 birthday candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Blow out the candles. 9 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Heart, circle, square, semicircle, diamond, cross, rectangle, oval, triangle.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. is for airplane. B is for bumblebee. C is for cake. D is for donut. E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for gingerbread man.
Hello!
H is for hedgehog. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for llama. M is for moon. N is for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O is for owl. P is for paint. Q is for quick. R is for rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. S is for snowman. T is for train. U is for ukulele. V is for volcano. W is for water. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zero. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's pick an ice cream flavor. Can I have
strawberry, please?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I have
Apple, please?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I have
Lemon, please?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I have
Orange, please?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I have cherry, please?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I have mint, please? Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I have
Blueberry, please? Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you. Grape, please?
Yes, you can.
Yummy. Thank you.
Oh,
God.
What is your favorite flavor?
Mine is chocolate.
Yummy.
Bye bye.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.